Okay, we're here at Pro Auto Show, restoration I should say, and we have a 2000 Audi S4 that is going to get full treatment here. Needs some love, obviously. You see this is just really bad. The paint is starting to oxidize. You see that gray kind of glow to it. That gray glow is the paint starting to fail. The clear coat is just going bye-bye. You can see this here. So it's not dirt, it's just clear coat. You can maybe rub through it, but it's the clear coat going bad. Same thing here. See that glow around the light. I'm also going to restore all this rubber so it doesn't look all tired. Got a bunch of dings to try to get out of this car. There's 10 of them. All the white X's. We're going to restore this bumper for it. This bumper has seen better days, but we're going to get it back in the tip-top shape. So, a crack there. It's got some splits in it. Pretty good dings in it. Obviously all chewed up. A lot of problems. It hit pretty hard. I think they were having too much fun in this car. So we'll get this all back to new again. Can I line that exhaust because it's off? It's hitting on that side over there. I'm going to zoom in real quick. See the clearance issue. So this is tapping on this side. Those are in corners. We're going to do a detail on the inside. Get this thing all cleaned up. We're going to get the black back in these things so they're not gray. And all of this gray color here. Again, you can see that halo of oxidized paint. Also gonna, these are an anodized aluminum, not plastic, not paint, it's silver. Anyways, the anodized finish is starting to get a little cloudy also. So we're going to perk it up. You can see it's a little more clear here than it is up here. Reflectivity of it's better here than it is on the top. I'm gonna get rid of that squeaky door. And then I need some love in here. So generally get it cleaned up again. Cause it's been in some, I guess, tough environment. So this bumper here, bumper cover, chunk missing out of it. It's broken there. It's also some of the brackets are messed up. Anyways, it'll be a nice car when we're done with it. These are quite a nice ride. A lot of fun, very nice car. So it's worth putting the energy into it. Thanks for watching. If you have a similar situation, let us know. We can revitalize your car. Thanks for watching. See us at ProAutoRestoration.pro.